Well, I'm going to show you what it's like to drive around out in a blizzard in Minnesota. So far, this is nothing. It's just getting started. And so people can get around even in little cars. And it's a little slippery. Well, yeah, and it rained. So it's like pure ice underneath the snowbanks. And it's getting a little hard to see over the snowbanks. But, and I got a carload of groceries because it can't be delivered today because everyone's getting ready for the storm, so I had to go get my own. But this is what Minnesota looks like on an average day. But we do have a blizzard warning, so it'll get worse. We'll show you more later. Have fun. Hey, you want to see the house that was on Extreme Home Makeover? Or did I miss it already? Where'd it go? Yeah, it's back there. Never mind.
The NOAA's National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 3 a.m. Friday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. A blizzard watch remains in effect from Friday afternoon through.
The white hurricane.